हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएम डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about the most important concept of international economics. Today topic is effect of import quotas. Kendall Berger has analyzed 8 effects of import quotas, some under partial equilibrium and other under some general equilibrium. Firstly, today lectures we will discuss about only partial equilibrium analysis of effect of quotas. Partial equilibrium analysis. First effect of quotas is price effect. The aim of an import quota is to limit the physical quantity of a commodity. So when a import quota is fixed, it tends to raise the price of the commodity. How much the price will be rise depend upon supply and demand of condition of the commodity. That means depend upon the elasticity of demand and supply, elasticity of supply of the goods and services. Next effect of import quota is protective effect, and an import quota has protective effect when it reduces the quantity of an import commodity and protect the domestic producers of the commodity from foreign competitors. Next type of effect is consumption effect. When an import quota is fixed, it tends to raise the domestic price of the commodity. Consequently, the domestic consumption is reduced. Next effect of import quota is revenue effect. The determination of the revenue effect of an import quotas is quite complicated and difficult to determine. If the government action the import licensing, the multiple quantity allowed of the commodity, the revenue effect of import quota will be equal the sum amount. Next effect of import quota is redistributive effect. The fixation of an import quota also leads to the redistribution effect. This happens when, with the rise in the price of the commodity, the domestic producers earn higher profit and the consumer surplus from the commodity decreases. In fact, the redistribution effect is the transfer of consumer surplus to producer surplus resulting from the rise in the price of the commodity for which the import quota is fixed. Next effect of import quota is balance of payment effect. The balance of payment effect of import quota is favorable to the quota imposing country. One of the objectives of fixation import quota is restrict imports so that they do not exceed the import of the country. Terms of trade effects. The fixation of import quota tends to change the terms of trade of the country. The new terms of trade may be more or less favorable to the country. Fix the quotas. Thank you.